YouTube. In this video, we're going to go over how to operate the windshield wipers for the Ford F-150 2016. And like always, if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and a subscribe. That way you can help us hit our subscriber goal of 1,000 and continue growing from there. Now let's get into it. This knob right here on the left of the steering wheel, this is where you operate it. Right now, this line shows that it's on off. All you're going to do is click this forward and it turns it on. And the further you go up, the speeds increase. And now we are all the way on maximum. All right, now to show you how to use your fluid, I'm going to just bring it right here, right in the middle. And this actually pushes in. You push that in, and that activates the fluid. Pretty easy, right? And now we're going to go back into the off position. Pretty quick and easy. So if you guys found this helpful, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and take it easy.